Welcome to Introduction to Freelancing. And we're going to talk a little bit about freelancing, what it is, and how it can help you today. So what is freelancing? It's really just providing services to companies on an as-needed basis rather than being hired full-time or part-time and being regularly in the office. Most freelancers are self-employed. They usually work from their own home, although some of them can go in from time to time into a client's office. And most freelancers work with more than one client. There's a ton of different services that can be done by freelancers. There can be writing, copywriting, web design, graphic design, data entry, video editing, search engine optimization, digital marketing, programming, creating content, a lot of virtual assistants out there working or doing internet research for your clients. So there's literally hundreds of different services that can be done this way. The benefits of freelancing for part-timers is you gain a little bit of extra income. So a little bit of extra income on top of whatever you're earning at your work. You can also gain experience. So working as a part-time freelancer is a great way to get some experience in an area where you're not really getting good experience at your existing work. And it builds a portfolio for your future so that in future, if you decide to go full-time, you've got a portfolio of work that you can show potential new clients. For full-time freelancers, the benefit is you're your own boss. Set your own pricing, you can earn from more than one client, and some people become digital nomads and work from around the world or do a lot of travel while they're working or look for countries where it's very inexpensive to live, and that way they can keep more of their income. One of the key things when you're a freelancer, a very cautionary thing, is you need to learn how to market yourself. With normal work, you got hired once and then you don't have to, you get paid every day you're at work. You get given your work, you get your paycheck. With a freelancer, you only get paid when you actually have clients and you complete work. So you need to continually be marketing yourself. I market myself. About 30% of my week is spent on marketing. You also want to prepare for slow times. It's good to have a bit of a cushion in case you're between clients for a bit. Nobody's going to be deducting tax and sending it to the government for you, so you need to set aside funds yourself. So figure out what tax bracket you're likely to be in, take that percentage right off every bit of income that comes in and drop it into a separate savings account so you've got it for the end of the year. And you will need to take care of your own medical and other benefits that you might want to have, so make sure you're setting aside money for that as well. So how you get started as a freelancer is figure out what skill or service could you offer that people would pay for. So are you a graphic designer? Are you a programmer? Are you a writer? So work on that. Make sure you've got that skill, hone it, get really good at it, and make sure that you're able to provide that. The next step is to build a portfolio. Now, of course, if you've been doing this for a while, you can use your client projects. But if you don't have any clients, do mock-ups and examples. So if you're a copywriter who's never written for a client yet, do some example write-ups. Write some example press releases, some example landing pages for websites, some example sales letters. Like create some of these and have them. Once you've decided on your skill and you've got your portfolio in place, you can start finding projects. You can do this by going out to networking groups, doing this in person, networking online through places like LinkedIn and other places like that. You can register on freelance sites online, get your portfolio out there, start bidding on projects. You can work on Facebook pages. Make sure, of course, in any Facebook page or forum that you're following the rules as far as marketing goes. You can create your own website if you want, or you can join an agency that already has clients that's looking for somebody with your skills.